siya.
Titingnan ko, tatanungin ko.
Tapos, flight nyo sa Monday na.
Monday ng 1 p.m.
Pag nasa Ontario ko, mga 2 weeks.
Sa susunod na ulit yun. At least alam ko na kung sino yung nandito. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga nandito din. Tapos ito lang tinext ko. Tapos doon pala si Ewa. Doon pala si Nor. Dito rin pala si Sir Eric.
Oo nga.
Tapos kayo si Ma'am Nit, dito lahat. Sabi ko marami rin pala.
Sa Niagara. Mas maganda rito.
Oo.
Maganda pa si Will na hangin dyan Niagara.
Oo. Maganda.
Fresh pa, hindi masyadong tuyo ang rito.
Oo.
Yung magandang hangin, tsaka peaceful.
Pangatlong na po kayo nagsabi niyan. Mukhang...
Dati kami nakatira sa Misaga.
Oo.
Tapos, 11 years kami doon. Tapos, binenta namin. Bumili kami ng bahay dito sa Niagara.
Oo. Ayos din. Mukhang mapapaisip na tayo.
Kasi ewan ko, parang...
Mas tahimik daw.
Yung relax sa buhay dito, hindi ka...
Stress, yeah.
Ayan.
Parang Tagaytay nga.
Hospital naman tatayo dyan.
No, saan ka na ako dito, ma'am?
Nag-work ako sa pharmacy.
Assistant din ako eh. Assistant pa rin ako eh. Oo.
Ng pharmacy?
Oo. Sa Safeway ako nagtatrabaho.
Oh.
As assistant. Oo.
Hindi mo nakuha yung work mo sa
Hindi pa. Kasi si Aiza pa yung, ang hirap pong ang hirap magsabay ng bills eh. Nakabili na rin. Kaya yung bill, sabay-sabay na po eh. Sabi namin.
Punta kita sa vlog eh.
Oo. Si Ma'am Nitz. You know. Mapapanood mo na ito, Ma'am Nitz.
Ay, naku naman!
Hindi, ayos lang.
Huwag naman.
Yun. So, yun. Anong din?
Pag bumalik kayo dito, dapat yung mga 2 linggo.
Susubukan.
Marami na ba kayo napasyalan sa dito, sa Niagara?
Nakaikot na po kami kanina.
Pero nag-isip kayo lumipat dito sa Ontario?
Hindi pa.
Hindi.
Hindi, yung nagkaroon ng opportunity sa Asia to work from Hamilton, yun yung time lang na napaisip kami. Pero nung sumabay yung dating ng license niya sa Manitoba, nag-stick muna kami ron. Kasi nandoon pa lahat eh. Hindi pa siya ready lumipat eh. Pero kung wala talagang choice, lilipat sana.
Pero good choice pa.
Yeah.
Travel nurse na pala. Maganda yan dito, tapos ang Buffalo.
Oo. Ang daming gumagawa
Yeah.
Travel nurse, Buffalo, tawiran lang.
120 daw per hour.
Oo.
Really?
May mga pasyente kami na travel nurse siya.
100.
May pasyente kami, travel
Minimum.
Filipino.
Welcome back po dito sa Buhay Canada. I'll just talk to them, okay?
Can you turn that on?
Buhay natin sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. So makitrip, at makitravel dito sa amin sa Buhay Canada. So right here, Norwich Mountain. Pinalik ng turning over. Good morning everyone! So it's another good day. Look at the view. Look at that.
It's like, look at the wedding.
Yeah, look at the wedding.
Look at this.
Kasi let's go.
Look at the view. Wow.
We're not going out, So today, it's a good day. We're going to have a breakfast dun sa baba, and it's a free breakfast. So, it's around 6:30 in the morning, so we will catch the early breakfast kasi mas maganda yung view daw dun sa baba. So, we will try to check. And, kakagising lang ng mga bata. Sayang ang oportunidad. At tayo ay pupunta ron. Yan, nakuha mo yung susi.
What's my jacket?
Oh, go grab your ate. May sarili pa sila ditong office na maliit. No, I don't have it. So good. So yan yung room namin, 4206. So ibig sabihin nandito kami sa 42 floor. Yan, ganyan kataas. Ganyan kadami yung tao ngayon. We're going to the 9th floor. So, look at that. Look. Things view na. Niagara, look at that ate. It's a beautiful one, Look. Alam mo, chill lang, pero hindi, daming tao no? Where are we going ate? 9th. So meron sila ditong fitness gym at the 10th floor, 9th floor, the Keg Steakhouse. breakfast, Paul's View meeting room, guest laundry, doon pala yung guest laundry, arcade, tapos yung L is love. Yay.
I woke up late.
You woke up like that. Oh no, that's dangerous. You know what I mean? That's dangerous.
You
So,
just
nasa
put
labi.
makeup.
No makeup daw si Mommy today.
No, I just put the tint blush.
Yeah.
Using the airplane because my...
Okay, we're here.
Oh my god.
Yung kanilang breakfast area. Yan. Ano? So, pag hindi ka dito maaga, may pila. Kasi tignan mo. So, bali ngayon medyo early bird catches the early breakfast. Look at that. Taas. Look at that. How are you? Sleepyhead pa itong mga to. Awesome. Thank you. Ang dami na rin.
Yeah, I think three live here and two live in Innisfil. That's the babies, but if she comes and we go and oh yeah.
Oh, Daddy, go. Grab your breakfast.
Let's go. Perfect. 5. Yeah.
Have you been here before or first time?
First time.
Yeah. So your coffee and juice is here for you, okay?
Awesome.
Unless you're occupied, I just ask you just read the signs on the table, okay?
Okay.
And there's nice omelets and fried eggs with butter.
Awesome. Thank you. Get that. Good morning. Ayaw magpababa niya rin eh. Why? Doon ang exit. Doon ang exit. You know. Ang daming bibig. Oh, what happened? Oh, look at that. Looks good. Ano masabi mo, babe? Madami.
Actually, alam mo, different.
Let's go, let's go. Doon ang exit sa kabila. Yeah. Go. Kasi can you say? Wow. What can you say? Picture. Nice.
You guys, we're almost done eating. Daddy's done. Daddy's done. Mom's almost done. Reese is already done. And Arya is, I don't know. And then she's gonna eat chocolate almost. And Daddy, Mom. I know what this is chocolate. Daddy, I know what are you going to eat for breakfast? Chips. It's such a great experience with my family. I'm so grateful for all the hard work they put into this and all the love that they put into us. And I loved it. Look at this. That was worth like these chips are like worth for like $6,000 or something. It's like worth like 10,000. Oh no. Well, the hotel is really expensive. I think it's. Mommy, how much was the hotel? I got my yogurt and Robot to get a picture. I'm about to get a picture of the view.
Yeah, dude.
Look, it's like, look at the view. Wow. Like, guys, if you want already, you know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing. Look at the wedding. Wow. If you want that, it's like, when you see this, look at the view. Wow. It's like,
Bakit pakulo ko sa kakain? Marunong ako sa pagkain.
Kahapon wala kang makain. Alright, so tapos na yung breakfast. And then, here's the plan. We're going downstairs. Tapos maglalakad-lakad tayo dito sa Niagara.
And then we'll go in a boat.
Oh, we're going to the Ferris wheel. Oh, sige. So,
And
doon
then,
tayo.
wait, Daddy, can we go to the boat?
Yeah, we will try to go to the boat. We will try to walk here around. So, ano kayo, mag-base ka na maayos, ha? So, tapos mag-walk lang tayo dito. We're just going to walk, whole day.
Huh?
Yeah, we will do it right now. Yeah, ulan ng 4 o'clock. So, that's going to be our activity for today. So, ano kayo?
Wait, when we go in the boat, it's going to rain anyway. And the boat,
Ano na naman? Magbo-boat tayo?
yeah.
We'll see. So, yan.
It's a rain.
So, yan. It's around only 8 o'clock.
8:30.
8:30 in the morning. Here's our view for the second day.
Again.
Hindi mo pagsasawaan to eh. Oh. As in, parang sarap maligo eh. Ha? Yung bulsa mo lang masasaksak ng husto eh. Alright. You know, so dito kami sa may Clifton Hill. So it's around 15 minutes walk, I think, from dun sa hotel. So grabe, haba ng nilakad namin. Okay, anyway, nandito na kami sa may mismong attraction dito. So maglalakad-lakad muna kami rito habang maganda yung panahon kasi may forecast mamayang hapon na uulan. Ayan, oh, pagod. Let's go. One dinosaur.
She's scared.
Let's go, mga dinosaur. Oh, come on, let's go. What do you want?
She's scared. She's scared.
She's scared. Oh. Oh, come on. Let's go to the Ferris wheel daw, sabi ni Mami. So, yung Ferris wheel is nasa likod namin. So, let's go. Ito yung pinaka-Ferris wheel dito. Siguro dito muna kami tatambay. May dinosaur, adventure golf, and syempre, yung sky wheel. Yan na rin tayo. Subukan na rin natin yan. You ready? Ayan o. Tim Hortons, Game Zone, E-Strike. Dami rin eh, no? Yeah. Sige. Skywheel, let's go. Ha? Hindi na. Yeah. Oh, do you have pass? Oh. Ikaw, you check. Hindi na siguro. Oo. Kasi kasama ko si Ari eh. Oh, you wanna go there? Gusto niya nang pumunta oh. Wait lang. Yeah, later we'll go there. Sa Dinosaur 2. Look at this, Arya. Look, look, look. So, nandito kami sa may Skywheel. Yes. First time namin makasakay dito. Yung mga last two ano namin eh. Lagi nagmamadali kami. So, ito. We're just enjoying the ride.
I look so pretty.
It looks so pretty. Look at that.
I said I look at so pretty.
Oh, sorry.
Look at.
So, sa haba-haba po ng nilakad namin doon, mga around 15 minutes from the hotel. Ito po yung pinuntahan namin. Yeah.
Daddy, after this, can we go swimming?
Yes, baby. Oh, init. Pabago-bago yung panahon. Hindi, meron eh. Yan. So, ito, may photo pa siya.
Mommy!
Si Rizzy kinakabahan eh.
Look at this wonderful view. Mom, you don't care about Aya? Aya fell down.
No, it's not. We're inside. We're inside. We're okay. Look at that.
Because Mommy's not that caring of us.
It's alright.
So Aya will die.
We're on the top now. What happened? I don't know. We're on the pinaka-top. Look at that. Ayun na, tingnan mo yung view. Tingnan mo yung falls. Look at the falls.
Huwag ka masyado magulo, bugo. Uusok yung ano natin.
Look at the falls. Ayun na. Init ba? Taste ganda. You know. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, I think so. Meron. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Rizzy, wag ka dyan sa edge. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3. Kasi Rizzy, go with mommy. Let's go na. Let's go na. Yan. So, it's windy. Dito kami sa may, Clinton Hill. Tapos, lalakarin namin pupunta ng Niagara Falls. Bakit?
Ay, naglakad ako kanina. Ang tiil-tiil pang araw. Tapos ngayon,
Kukulimlim. Tapos ayan, dyan na sa falls na kami maglalakad. Then, papunta na ng hotel. And imi-meet up namin yung classmate namin ng high school at elementary. Ayun si Casero. Oh, di ba? Oh. Alright, so ito, ayan yung papunta sa Niagara Falls. Tapos, punta na kami sa casino. Pine Falls and Casino. Yeah, let's go. You know, we are back. Day 2. Postura, patingin nga ng forma. Raw hot. So kanina pa po kami naglalakad.
Somebody's even sunbathing.
Sunbathing? Yeah. You know. So yan. Look at that, ate. Si
How did
Mami.
you do that?
It could be. Baka kasama rin. Yeah. May message niya. But anyway. So yan. So bali ngayon, medyo mainit naman. Tapos yung mga bata dyan sa Kartila area. Tapos, yan. So marami pa rin tao dito ngayon. And we're still walking. So pabalik na kami sa may casino. Doon na raw kami, Casino Falls. Doon na kami mag-lunch for today. And yep. We are still here at Niagara Falls. Yan. Ganda. Ganda ng view. Lalo na yung nakaputi. Ganda yung view na nakaputi. Which is si Aisha yun. Wala nang iba. Let's go. Alam mo yung vibes dito? Parang BGC, Venice. Yan. Sa McKinley Hill. Yun nga lang ito sa Niagara Falls. Yan o. Mga building. Yan yung vibes dito sa nilalakaran namin ngayon. Para siyang Venice. Yan o, sila. O, pagod na rin yung mga yan. Yan. Look at that. Tapos meron din silang, yun yung Wigo. Yan yung bus stop nila rito. Tapos yung hotel namin dun. Dalakarin pa ulit. Kasi, what this one reminds you? in the Philippines? New York? We haven't been into New York. Yung ano, yung Venice Plaza, di ba? The one with Tito Bon. Yeah, it looks like the same, right? I mean, the vibes. Yeah. And right now it's sunny. It's around 25 degrees. Look at that.
No, that one looks like Hawaii.
So, yan. It's lunchtime. Ito kami magla-lunch sa may Niagara Falls view. You know? Yun. So, yes. Dito pa rin kami sa Niagara. And right now, kung gumamit ako mic. So, bali kanina, minit up namin yung high school or elementary and high school friend namin dito sa Niagara. And shout out to kay Paul. So, dito sa Niagara, isa siya sa mga entrepreneur, isa sa mga project manager dito. Napaka-humble na tao. Tapos, nilibre niya kami ng lunch kasama yung wife niya na si Maa, kasama yung anak nila. So, yan. Nakakatawang isipin na dito pa kami magkikita after, ano ba yun? Last nakita namin is graduation 2003. Then after 2024 or 2024, dito kami nagkita ngayon sa Niagara. So, mamaya, may meet din kami. Mag-meet up pa kami mamaya kasama naman yung isa naming classmate din or isa sa mga kabatchmate namin nung high school. Dito naman kami mag-meet sa Niagara sa may bandang casino. So mga siguro around 10 o'clock yon. Pero bago yon, isa sa mga i-meet up din namin ngayon with the family is si Kuya Nicky. Yes, si Kuya Nicky, isa yan sa mga talagang tumutulong dito sa Niagara. Isa sa mga ano naman siya, is international student na interview na natin siya from before, and this is our first time na magbi-meet. Lagi lang kami magkausap niyan. Naudlot yung pagkikita namin nung nag-visit siya sa Winnipeg kasi marami talaga siyang inaasikaso sa mga international student. Ang kapartner niya sa immigration is si Kuya Mikmik. Yan. So if you don't know si Kuya Nicky, he is the founder of Suncor. Yan, sikat na sikat yan dito sa Niagara kasi talagang marami silang tinutulungan ng mga Pilipino. And right now, siya yung aantayin namin ngayon. Pupunta kami or magdi-dinner kami sa isang restaurant dito. So susunduin kami ni Kuya Nicky and makakasakay kami dun sa, alam mo yun, bagong sasakyan niya. So nakita ko yung mga post niya sa FB. So yan, meet natin si Kuya Nicky for today. And that's going to be a good shout out din sa lahat na nandito sa mga student ni Kuya Nicky, and hopefully mabisita namin yung Suncor office nila. It's just about 6 minutes drive from here, and most likely siguro baka hopefully mabisita natin bago kami umalis dito sa Niagara. So as you can see, yan pa rin yung view namin dito sa Niagara Falls. Magulo. Yan, kamusta yung day 2 mo dito?
Pagod na kami.
Tinulugan kami. Ako nag-swimming kami yung tinulugan. So, bali siya, nagliligpit na siya ng gamit kasi bukas, tama ba? Bukas. Nagpa-late checkout kami until 1 p.m. Pupunta naman kami ng Guelph. Sa?
May sabi ng asawa ni Paul. Guelph.
So, hindi naman kami, yung pronunciation. So, basta doon, pupunta kami bukas naman kila Eve and Rafi. Ito naman tayo sa Baluarte nila. So far, how's your stay here in Embassy Suites?
It's worth it. Yun nga lang, syempre, pero worth it naman din.
Yeah.
Kasi free breakfast, tas ang breakfast mo, ang view mo is yung falls.
Yeah.
Tapos punong-puno din yung breakfast. Super, sila.
Napaka-awkward doon. Nagtutupi siya sa ako in-interview. Sige, mamaya na nga. maraming ginagawa dito. So, yeah, baka magte-text na si Kuya Nicky. We'll see you. Diyan na si... Lagyan na. You know? Let's go. You go here. You go inside. Yun o, si Boss Nicky yan.